If you're a federal or postal employee, you might already know about Federal Employee Group Life Insurance, or FEGLI. But do you really understand how it works and what it covers? In today's video, we're going to break it down plain and simple so you can protect what matters most. Hello, I'm John Sanders. I'm Agency Director of the Benefit Coordinators. I want to thank you for watching our YouTube videos. If you have found them of value, would you please consider clicking the like button, the subscribe button, and also clicking the chime will notify you of our new posts. We also want to provide you a no-cost copy of our e-publication, the Federal Employee Benefits Handbook. You can either ask us and we will email it to you, or you can purchase one from Amazon. Now, back to our video. FEGLI is one of the largest group life insurance programs in the world, offering affordable and reliable coverage exclusively for federal and postal employees. Whether you're new to the program or just want to make sure your family's future is secure, this video will give you everything you need to know about basic life insurance under FEGLI. So let's start with the basics. What exactly is basic insurance through FEGLI? FEGLI's basic coverage is automatically available to eligible federal and postal employees. It's designed to offer a foundation of financial security for you and your family. Basic coverage includes your annual salary rounded up to the nearest $1,000 plus an additional $2,000. You'll see on the screen here, for example, if your salary is $47,500, your basic FEGLI coverage would be $49,000 plus $2,000, giving you $51,000 in total. And here's something many people don't realize. If you're under 45, FEGLI automatically doubles your coverage at no additional cost. That's right, you get double the coverage just for being younger, well, actually, than 35. And it starts degrading after 35. So this added benefit gradually decreases as you age, but it's a great advantage for younger employees. So how much does this coverage actually cost? The good news is that basic FEGLI is incredibly affordable when you're younger. You pay just 15 cents for each $1,000 of coverage in your bi-weekly paycheck. The federal government even helps cover administrative costs, making it one of the most budget-friendly life insurance options out there. Let's break it down even further. If your coverage is $51,000, you'd only pay about $7.65 every 2 weeks. That's less than the cost of a fast food meal. Yeah, definitely is. So let's tackle this question we often hear. Is basic FEGLI enough, or should we have more coverage? The answer depends upon your personal situation. If you're single with no dependents, never plan on ever getting married or ever having dependents, then basic FEGLI might be sufficient. But if you have a family or financial obligations like a mortgage, student loans, or future college expenses, you may want to consider additional coverage. FEGLI offers 3 additional plans, and we consider those like riders on your automobile insurance. Option A, which adds an additional $10,000 of coverage. Option B lets you buy coverage up to 5 times your salary. And Option C provides coverage for your spouse and your children. While these options are helpful, they may not be enough for everyone. That's why we recommend elevating or evaluating your family's specific financial needs. And remember, the Benefit Coordinators is always here to help you explore all of your options, including supplemental private insurance. Another question we often hear is, what happens to my FEGLI benefits when I retire? Well, this is where it gets interesting. You can carry your basic FEGLI coverage into retirement if you meet a few simple requirements. First, You need to have been enrolled in FEGLI for at least 5 years before retiring. If you qualify, you have 3 options: a 75% benefit reduction, where your coverage gradually decreases by 75% after age 65, but you don't have to pay the premiums after that age. The 50% reduction option, which offers a smaller decrease in coverage but still lowers your premiums. Then the third option is the no reduction option, where your coverage remains the same for life throughout, although you will pay higher premiums for this choice as you age. These 3 options give you the flexibilities to pick a plan that works for your retirement goals and your family needs. So why choose FEGLI? Well, here's some of the top benefits of basic life through FEGLI. First, it's automatic. If you're eligible, you're enrolled in basic FEGLI unless you opt out. Second, it doesn't require a medical exam. That's a huge advantage to anyone with pre-existing health conditions who might struggle to get private insurance. And third, it's convenient. We all like convenience, right? Premiums are automatically deducted through your paycheck, so you don't have to worry about missing a payment. And finally, it's flexible. You can tailor your coverage with the optional plans we mentioned earlier. But let's not stop there. Here are a few key tips to make the most of your FEGLI benefits. Review your coverage regularly. Take the time to check your SF50 form or contact your HR department and confirm your coverage details. Think about long-term needs. If you're nearing retirement, now's the time to decide whether you'll need additional coverage to protect your family's financial future. And third, compare your options. While FEGLI is affordable and convenient, it's always worth exploring private insurance policies that might offer more tailored benefits for your specific situation. So before we wrap up, let's have one final question. What happens if you leave your federal job before retirement? Well, if you leave federal service, your FEGLI life insurance typically ends. See, I said it, FEGLI. It's actually FEGLI. Well, however, you do have an option to convert your coverage to a private policy. So keep that in mind, and this could be more expensive, most definitely it would be, but it's a good idea to explore alternatives ahead of time. You know, at the Benefit Coordinators, we understand how important it is to protect your family's future. That's why we've dedicated ourselves to helping federal and postal employees just like you make informed decisions about their benefits. If you're unsure about your life insurance coverage or have questions about FEGLI, you can visit us at thebenefitcoordinators.com, and we're always here to help you every step of the way. Also, thank you for watching.